Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back.
On my records, since 16 I'm coming down with Lexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got some live cred. What about my body? You don't want my body? I'm in the house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body? I can look at nobody. Cause let's go. It's time to roll. Can't hear on my rolls.
So welcome back, y'all. Thanks for coming back. Today's unit is from Outre. It is the lace front collection in the lace front wig. I got it in the style Caprice and it is 16 inches long, you guys. I got it in the color Chocolate Frost, and this is what the stock card is looking like, and this is the back of the stock card. This unit does come in other specialty colors. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's HD transparent lace, and it comes with natural baby hairs as well. So you guys, this unit was sent to me by Divas, so thank you kindly for sending me this unit. It does range on their website for about $52, so keep that in mind. This unit does have two combs on the side, one comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and it's a plop and go, y'all. Y'all know I love me some plop and goes on this channel. If you are new to my channel, I cater to the lazy girl method, okay? I will say this unit doesn't look exactly like the stock card. I mean, it's cute, but I wanted the exact look. That's what I was hoping to get, the exact look. And I don't feel like I got that. It's cute though. I did go in and cut, the curls just to, face frame a little bit. And I did have to pick out the curls a little bit. If you are familiar with my channel, I don't really like to touch my units because these are synthetic wigs. They don't last that long. So unfortunately, I did have to go through and pluck the curls out just a little bit. But this is cute, y'all. Let me give you a little 360. It's cute, right? It is cute. For some reason, I feel like it should be, the front should be a little long. I don't know, because I ended up cutting it. So who knows? I don't know. I do feel like the sides aren't the length in the photo. That's what I feel like it is. It's more like a layered curly. It's more of like a layered curly unit. That's how I feel. This unit has more layers than what it looks like in the photo. So yes, it is big hip friendly. I will say that, so keep that in mind. A lot of Outre's units are honestly big hip friendly, so you don't really have no issues in that department. As far as shedding and tangling, I haven't experienced any of that. Again, I took this unit fresh out the package, but I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling with this unit. And the only thing that I did was that I cut the lace. Typically I would go in underneath with my Eben lace tint, but since this unit is a lace front wig, there's not a lot of lace on here. Like, the only lace that I have honestly is, it's very, very tiny, and then I had the parts. So I went in with my Fenty foundation in the color 420, and I took this little brush and I just highlighted the part so it can give it a more natural look. And then as far as the hairline, I went in with my Chocolates palettes from Juvia Place, and I just went in along the edges just to make the lace blend in with my scalp. And that was it, you guys. This unit is a plop and go. It's definitely beginner friendly. The cap construction of the wig is a little boxy-ish. Like, it's not super soft up here. Like, you can feel the construction of it, and you can kind of bend it and things like that to your head shape. So just keep that in mind as well. There's no need to glue this unit down. But yes, other than that, you guys, that was pretty much it. The link for this unit is in the description box below. Thank you so much, Diva Trust, for kindly sending me this unit. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this unit. I'm loving the curl pattern. I'm loving the curls. And as far as the texture, it is more on the yaki side. It's not a silky texture. But yeah, I do feel like this unit is a little different from the stock card. But overall, it's cute. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.